Hello everyone, my name is Chandresh Patle. I am currently based in Pune. I completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering in 2017. After exploring several career options, I came across Evision while searching for job-oriented IT training. Joining Evision turned out to be a turning point in my career. The training I received in networking, virtualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, CCNA, ITL was extremely practical and industrial focused. The subject is well structured, and more importantly, the trainer makes sure every concept is understood with real-time scenarios. Thanks to this training, I successfully got placed in NTT Data for the client Citibank in Pune with a salary package of 4 LPA, as an achievement that would not have been possible without the support and mentorship of the Evision team. Special thanks to Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, Dipti ma'am, our teacher Rahul sir, Apurva sir, Prasanjit sir, Bhuvishwat sir. Your guidance and motivation helped me to build the skill and confidence I need to crack interview and secure a job in IT. What set Evision apart is the hands-on explosion and real-time project-based training. The instructor not only teach you concept but also ensure you are industry ready. I am truly grateful to Evision for transforming my career journey and giving me a platform to grow in the IT industry. Thank you, Evision team.